Let's crochet the heart of the cow with pink yarn together. We will need to start with slip knot and work for chain stitches, then we need to work one slip stitch in the first chain stitch to make a magic ring. Now, left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight. So, we got one slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work one chain stitch. Repeat with 3 more chain stitches. We can see 4 chain stitches. Insert hook into the first chain stitch to work one slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Now, we got a magic ring. Finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 1 single crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 chain stitch and 1 slip stitch. Continue with 1 chain stitch, 3 double crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. Insert hook into the center point of round 1, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Now, we need to work 1 double crochet. Yarn over, we can see 2 loops on hook. Insert hook into the center point of round 1, yarn over and pull through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make 1 double crochet. Repeat with 2 more double crochet. Yarn over. Insert hook into the center point of round 1, yarn over and pull through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make the second double crochet. Insert the hook into the center point of round 1 to work the third double crochet. Got 3 double crochet. Work 1 chain stitch next. Then insert the hook into the center point of round 1 to work 1 slip stitch. And 1 chain stitch. Continue with 3 double crochet in the center point of round 1, the first double crochet. Two. 3. Got 3 double crochet. Insert hook into the center point of round 1 to work 1 single crochet. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished round 2. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. And cut off the excess yarn tail. Now, we have finished the heart of cow.